Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can check the screen usage time on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. Next we scroll down and tap on screen time. Now in here at the top, it will immediately give you the daily average screen time usage. If you want to view more information, you can tap on CO activity, and here it shows you your screen time usage by day, or you can tap on the week tab to show your average by the week. And you can swipe across to view last week or this week. So this is the information for last week average. And you can also tap on a day right here, so say on Thursday last week, and that will give you a breakdown of the usage throughout the day. And you can see here at between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m. there are some usage for games right here, and then you got creativity. If you go down, it said that most use of the screen time usage for the day, and I've got settings in my term plus, which use up 42 minutes. And then you can go down and view some other information as well. So we've got pickups, how many times you pick up your phone for that day. And it's that first pickup at 10:27 a.m. and the total number of pickups is 11 times. And the first use after pickup is settings, and then my term plus. So that is how you can view your screen time usage. Now I can tap on show today. That quickly take me back to today's screen time usage, and this is Sunday, so I can tap on that and view by the apps. It shows my usage and what time is it shows what time I use the device the most, and then it shows here most use, settings, and messages, and I have pickups the phone 10 times today, and that's it. That is how you can check your screen time usage for today, or for the whole week, or for the last week. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.